is actually the laboratory of a house where we invent lots of food items. Some turns out to be failures, while some becomes really delicious. Cooking involves loads of chemical reaction. Knowing about them correctly can make one a great taste maker. Now, let's work out some cooking experiments. So first, what about something sweet? Let's make some raw candies.
Ingredients we want are 1 cup of water, 3 cups of sugar, food color and flavoring agents. First of all, boil the water and then add sugar to it and stir it well. This creates a supersaturated sugar solution. Supersaturated solution is a solution which can't dissolve no more solute in it. Add food color and flavoring agent to it. Dip a stick in it and set it aside for a week. After a week, your raw candy is ready to eat. Now, let's look the science behind the raw candy. Increase in temperature causes increase in solubility. We created a supersaturated solution dissolving the maximum amount of solute in it. As we set it aside, the liquid cools down and the solubility decreases. This causes crystallization of sugar, which creates some colorful raw candies.
Now, how about something cool to drink? Let's make a fizzy lemonade.
The ingredients we want are lemon juice, water, baking soda, sugar or salt for taste. First, add the extracted lemon juice to a tall glass. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda to it. When they react, add water. Also add sugar or salt for taste. Your fizzy lemonade is ready. The sodium bicarbonate reacts with the citric acid in the lemon and produces carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide dissolves poorly in water, so it is released in the form of bubbles. This is how you get to make a fizzy lemonade from your home.
How about a calorie-rich boiled egg? Let's make it.
Eggs are rich in protein and calories. 100 grams of boiled egg have 155 grams of calories and 13 grams of proteins. Now, let's make a boiled egg. First, add the eggs to boiling water and also add some salt to it. Egg white solidifies more quickly in hot salty water than in fresh water. That's why we are adding salt to it. Cook these eggs for 10 minutes. The science behind this is proteins in eggs have tertiary structure. On heating, they become primary and secondary structure. This is called denaturation. This causes the hardening of egg white and yolk. Some boiled egg contains a green ring around the yolk. This happens when hydrogen and sulfur in egg white react and form hydrogen sulfide gas. Hydrogen sulfide reacts with ion in egg yolk to form ferrous sulfide.